Today let's tackle a common problem in Excel, working with stacked data. Imagine you have some information like football player data, all crammed into one column in repeating blocks. Each set of 6 rows is one player: name, club, position, nationality, age and market value. To actually use this data, we need to unstack it, turning each player data into its own row across multiple columns. If you are using Excel 365, this is super easy, thanks to the WRAPROWS function. It is designed to do just what we need: take that single list and wrap it into rows with a set number of columns. If you don't have Excel 365, Power Query is also a great option. Start by loading your data into Power Query using From Table Range. Here we will use the List.Split function. This lets us break up the data into groups of 6 rows, giving us one mini list for each player. We need to specify the column we are using, data in square brackets, and then set the second argument to 6. Then, to turn these lists into a real table, we use table.FromRows function. It stacks each mini list into a new row and lets us add the column headers, like name, club, etc. And there you have it. The data is unstacked and ready to use. So which approach do you prefer? WRAPROWS dynamic formula or Power Query? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Bye!